How's it going all? Given the most recent inflation data, the Federal Reserve highlighted that rate cuts might not happen until inflation comes further down. Now, because yields remain very attractive, in this video we're highlighting some of the best high-yield savings accounts, bank CDs, and money market funds for April 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. And starting off with a good old high-yield savings account. One of the best options is BMO Alto. They offer 5.1% APY with no minimum balance requirements, no opening deposit, and no banking fees. What separates them from the pack is that they also offer unlimited transfers and withdrawals, making them a very good option for people who want high liquidity on their cash. The bank is FDIC insured, and you're earning a very high interest rate on your money. The mobile app is pretty bare bones though, but for people starting off with limited funds, this is a very competitive savings rate. However, if you prefer larger institutions or want a very good mobile app experience, Capital One is probably my personal pickup. They offer 4.25% APY with no fees or minimum requirements. Their mobile app is one of the best in class, and they do offer physical branches if you ever need assistance. This is a bank that has offered competitive rates over the last decade, making it a very solid choice for my younger cousins or audience members out there. For investors, Treasury-only money market funds are likely more attractive, and these can be bought directly from your favorite broker. For investors who use Fidelity, FDLXX is a very popular choice. This fund offers 4.96% APY with 100% of the assets invested in US Treasury bills and coupons. This means that the interest you earn is exempt from both state and local taxes. So for those of you living in high income tax states like California or New York, this 5% can offer a much higher tax equivalent yield than your regular savings account. Best of all, there is no minimum deposit and the interest is paid at the end of each month. And for those of you who use Charles Schwab, SNSXX is a comparable option. They also offer 5% yields with no minimum deposit. Vanguard investors probably enjoy the highest yield at 5.28% APY, mostly due to the decreased expense ratio at just 0.09%. The only downside with VUSXX is that the minimum deposit is $3,000. But if you do have $3,000 worth of savings, Vanguard probably offers some of the highest tax equivalent yields. That being said, Fidelity and Schwab are very good options, and their brokerage accounts do offer a lot of banking capabilities that Vanguard doesn't have, so that can pretty much make up for the difference in terms of yields. Now, for those of you looking for even higher rates, bank CDs are still offering very attractive yields. For example, Newtek Bank offers a 6-month CD with 5.55% APY. Newtek is a primarily business-centered bank that is currently trying to venture in the personal banking realm. This means that their mobile app does have much to be desired. However, they do offer a very nice rate for those of you wanting very short-term CDs. Another good option is Forbright Bank. They offer a 9-month CD with 5.3% APY with a minimum deposit of just $1,000. Their 12-month CD is also very solid at 5.25%. And for those of you who prefer S&P 500 banks, Capital One again is offering a very nice 10-month promotion at 5.1% APY. It's one of the highest yielding CD rates out there, especially among the national banks, so it's a very easy one to consider. For high net worth individuals though, Treasury bills are still likely the most attractive option, especially considering that you avoid paying state and local taxes. 26-week Treasury bills are offering 5.38% APY, which is very comparable to Newtek Bank. Their 52-week Treasury bill also offers 5.2% APY, which is much higher than most banks like Discover that only offer up to 4.7%. And for those of you interested in using short-term Treasury bills in lieu of a savings account, 4-week T-bills are currently offering 5.37% APY, making them a very popular choice among many investors. After all, lending money to the US government is very attractive. Not only are T-bills fully backed by the US government, but you're also earning a highly profitable tax-advantaged yield. Of course, for me personally, and for full transparency, I use a combination of Fidelity Treasury money market funds and Vanguard bond ETFs to achieve my personal goals. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts and how you manage your savings. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.